But finding a running shoe on a beach that still has a foot in it is definitely no game. It's a real-life mystery that has baffled investigators and intrigued the public for over a century. Imagine strolling along a beautiful, misty shoreline, only to stumble upon such a grim discovery. It sounds like something out of a horror movie, but it's a recurring reality along the coasts of the Pacific Northwest. As macabre as it sounds, disembodied feet in shoes have been washing up on the beaches of Washington State and British Columbia for a surprisingly long time. The earliest recorded cases go all the way back to the late 1800s. But the modern phenomenon really kicked off in the early 2000s. In 2007, the first of many feet in a running shoe washed up on a beach in British Columbia. One by one, over the next decade and beyond, more were found. We're talking about a variety of running shoes, Adidas, Reeboks, Nikes, other brands, all found along the BC and Washington coast, and all containing a human foot. Every time a new discovery is reported to the authorities, the same haunting questions arise. Why do the feet wash up here, in this specific part of the world, and where are the rest of the bodies? The theories are as varied as they are chilling. Some speculate they are victims of a past tsunami, their remains carried by ocean currents. Others suggest they could be linked to human traffickers, or even a notorious serial killer. The possibilities seem endless and deeply unsettling. And the mystery only deepens when you consider the sheer scale of our planet. Earth has over 125,000 miles of coastline, touching 202 different countries. Yet these feet consistently wash up along the shores of the Salish Sea, a network of coastal waterways shared by British Columbia and Washington State. Why here? What makes this region a magnet for such a specific and bizarre occurrence? Is it the currents, a coincidence, or something more sinister? The trend has continued into recent years. In 2019, the 21st human foot to wash ashore in just over a decade was found on a Washington State beach. Then, in early 2022, another foot was discovered, this time at the south end of Jetty Island in Everett, Washington. As with the others, no other human remains were found nearby. The authorities have managed to identify some of the feet, linking them to missing persons who were presumed to have died by accident or suicide. But many remain unidentified, leaving families in limbo and the public with a lingering sense of unease. So what's the scientific explanation? Well, when a body decomposes in water, the joints, like the ankle, are among the first to separate. The modern running shoes these feet are found in are incredibly buoyant and durable, acting like a life preserver for the foot, protecting it from decomposition and allowing it to float to the surface and eventually wash ashore. While that explains the how, it doesn't always answer the who or the why. Each foot tells a silent story of a life lost, a mystery waiting to be solved. You've been listening to Kits, Myths, and Mysteries, events that have taken place in a world you thought you knew. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more strange tales.